So in previous video we have discussed about the achromatic color scheme. In this video we'll be discussing the second color scheme, that is monochromatic color scheme. The monochromatic color scheme. If you would see, if we break this particular word monochromatic, again we'll get two words. One is mono and second is chrome. Monochromatic is made up of these two words. Mono, that means a single, that means one, and chrome, that means color. That means monochromatic color scheme is a color scheme where we do take all shades of a color, where we take all shades of colors. Like here I have used red and here I am using brown. These are the shades of red. These both are the shades of red. Just like if suppose I am taking the color red, if I'll add white in that, it will create a pink shade. So this is red and pink are the monochrome of red, same color. This is a monochromatic color scheme. Or if I add red plus black, it will create either brown or some light shade, isn't it? So that means red, pink and brown are the monochromatic color scheme, make the monochromatic color scheme. It gives a impact of that we are using the colors of same family in the sense of monochromatic color scheme. But these three colors will make the monochromatic color scheme? No. We can add red plus white in different ratios to get different shades of pink. Suppose I am using 5 of red and using 1 of white, so it will be dark pink. If I use 4 plus 2, this is the ratio. Suppose 4 part of red I am using and 2 part of white I am using, I'll get a little light pink, the lighter than of this. And if I use 3 is to 3, this will be the pink color. This will be the perfect pink color. And if I use 2 is to 4, it will create a light pink. Or if I use 1 is to 5, it will create definitely the baby pink color. So in such way, you can create a number of pink shades by using different by using different ratios between red and white. In the same manner, if we add red plus black in different manners, black is little you can say color which affects very which is having very high effect. So if we add 5 plus 1, it will go near about brown or something, maroon or something like that, right? But what we'll do, we don't use that much of ratio, but if 5 drops of red is there and a pinch of black, 2 pinch, very small amount will be using in that. So it will give different shades of maroon and brown. So these all colors combinedly called the monochromatic color scheme. We do use this color schemes generally in embroideries patterns. Sometimes we do use, sometimes we do use it in the you can say traditional prints. We do use it this particular color scheme, or as per the requirement you can use this color scheme. And this is very beautiful color scheme, which all together it gives a very beautiful impact on garments, on fabrics, and sometime on shaded things and all, if you want to create the effect of. So in this way you can create the monochromatic color scheme of any color, blue, green, orange, whatever you like. You just have to add white and black in that particular color, and then you will get the monochromatic color scheme. Now let's see the shade card of the color scheme. Just to make the shade cards, I have cut some pieces of half inch by half inch with a paper, and first I'll do the base color, that is red. This is the first shade card that we'll be using. Next I'll add white in this. Let us add a little white and create a shade of pink. And let's color the next card. This is dark pink color. I'll add little more white, one drop of white more, and it will create little light pink color as compared to previous one. Again I'll add a little white in that. It will create a little less light color. This is pure pink color, you can say. Now add a little more white. More lighter pink. Or so many colors you can create as what you like. And I'll add a little more white, and I can create one more shade. You can create 20, 30, 40, 60, 70 shades. For the samples I am just showing you 5, 6 shades. In the same manner we can create the shades of red with mixing with black. When we do add black, we have to be very careful, because a very small pinch we have to take on the brush, and you have to add it to the this. It has created a very dark shade. this is something brown. I'll just reverse the process. I'll add red in that to create lighter shades. In this way you can create a number of shades with a single color. So this color scheme is said to be the monochromatic color scheme. Now see those all shades all together. Now see, this is the shade card that we have created: light, dark, bit dark, more dark, red, then goes to brown. So this is, if you want to see this on a close note, you may have this. So this is the monochromatic color scheme. Now see its application part. Its application part, I generally like this particular color scheme on the patterns, abstract patterns I would say. So I am making a traditional abstract pattern with the help of paisley